Hello guys, welcome back all to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, easy ways to make money online. Here I'm going to break down easiest ways to earn online doing microtasks. And there are quick and just small jobs that you can do during your free time right from your phone or a laptop. And I'm just sharing the top three legit websites that I've tried that actually pay. So if you're looking for a flexible side income and you can start today, no experience needed, just stay tuned because this video is just for you. So, and if you are new in the microtask world, so our microtasks are just tiny jobs that take just a few seconds to a few minutes to complete, and they do vary. So there is a wide range of kind of tasks to complete. You can do labeling images for AI training, categorizing products, taking short surveys, like transcribing short videos, and many more. So each task doesn't just pay time individually. So you can earn up to $5 depending on the job. But when you do many of them, it just adds up quickly. Plus, you're working on your own schedule anytime and anyway. How nice is that? So, all right, so let's jump into the top three websites where you can start earning from microtask right away. So, the first website is called microworkers.com. And so for this site, you can just sign up from anywhere in the world. It does not have any location restrictions. And so under this website, they do have a lot of kind of tasks that you can do. So that there is writing short reviews, testing website and mobile apps. There is data categorization and data entry jobs, and many more. So for this, for micro workers, you get paid by PayPal, Skrill, direct bank transfer, and the minimum payout for this is $5. So once you've reached the minimum threshold for the payout, you can just request for your payout using your preferred method of payment. So for this website, I'll show you how it looks. Just a moment. So you'll just go to your browser and search Microworkers. So once you start the Microworkers, so I think my account is logged in. So let me just log out. I'll show you how the website looks. So this is how the website looks. So if you do not have an account, you can just go ahead and click on register. Then fill out these details: your first, middle name, last name, the gender, the company, and all this information. So once you've completed these, you can just go ahead and submit your details. Right, so once you've submitted your details, then you can just go ahead and verify your email, and that should be it. So once you've already registered to your account, you'll just go ahead and log in. So I'll go ahead and log into my account. Just a moment. All right, so once you logged in, this is how the interface looks. Yeah, so you can see there are lots of jobs are available here that you can do. So here it's a guarantee every day. You can never miss out on a job. Okay, so the best thing of these websites, they do have filters. So if you want to just focus on the high paying jobs, you can just go ahead and click on most paying job, and yeah, so you'll be able to see that. So you can see, you can just download this app, install, complete KYC, then send a screenshot to just show proof that you've completed the task and earn a $1. So imagine you doing like just dedicating 1 to 2 hours of your time just doing these jobs, how much you can make in a day. Okay, so also I can show you, I've been able to read through a couple of times, so you can see this is just a legit website. All right, so and other than these websites, I'll be able to talk about the second website. So the second website, you can go ahead and try out. It's called Clickworker. And Clickworker it's another popular microtask platform which is known worldwide. And also for the best thing about this website, you can just sign up from anywhere in the world. Okay. So for this website, they do have a lot of jobs available. So you can do text creation or editing. They do have surveys. You can complete product categorization, and also they do have other kind of tasks. So for these, for Clickworker, what I can be able to recommend. So for the Clickworker, they've partnered with UHRS. So UHRS is like a partnered platform where you can be able to complete tasks under this and earn massively using that. So for you to be able to unlock access to UHRS jobs, there's always like a short assessment that you get to do. It's actually the simplest assessment because they've already provided you the instructions to and walking you through on how to complete that assessment. So once you've completed that assessment, then you'll be able to get access to the UHRS jobs. So for the UHRS jobs, I'll be able to show you in another video on how to be able to navigate through that. For the Clickworker, they do pay via PayPal, Pioneer. Also, they do bank transfers. And for the minimum withdrawal threshold for this, it's $10. So once you've hit the $10, you'll be able to get paid, and they do always pay on a weekly basis. Okay. So for that website, so you can just go ahead to your browser, just search for Clickworker. Right, so once you've already searched for Clickworker, this is how the website looks. Okay. All right, so here you'll get to register if you're new. So when you're registering, just register as for Clickworker. So for this, you'll be able to earn money doing these kind of jobs. You see, they do have a lot of jobs available. All right, so other than this website, we do have another website. It's called TimeBucks. So our TimeBucks is a little different. It's more of a get paid to platform, but it also includes microtasks that you can do and get paid for your time. So for TimeBucks, they do have different tasks that you can do. So they do have surveys. You can complete surveys and get paid. You can watch other videos. You can follow people on their social media pages, and also they do always have daily bonuses if you complete a certain number of tasks in a day. Okay, so the best thing about TimeBank also you can be able to get paid playing games. So they do have a section called offer wall. So under the offer walls, you get to download apps, then you try them out, you play the games, then you get paid for that. So how nice is that? Okay. So for TimeBucks, they do pay via PayPal, ATM, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. And the best thing about TimeBucks nowadays, they do pay like I'll say 3 times a week, as long as you've hit their minimum payout threshold, which is always $5. Plus, their payment method is automated. So every day that they do send their pay, you'll be able to get paid via any payment method that you'd wish to get the payment from. All right, and also and if you want to boost your earning in microtask income jobs, so we do the tips are you can sign up on all the platforms that I've listed and just don't rely on one. Then you can just dedicate 1 to 2 hours of your free time daily to just complete these small jobs. And also you can keep track of your tasks so that you get to know how much you'll be making in a day for all the sites. Okay. All right. So, and other than this, so microtasking won't be replacing your full-time income, but it's one of the easiest ways to earn extra money online, especially if you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to monetize your spare time. And so for the links to the website, I'll be attaching the links to the description of this video down below. You can go ahead and check them out and try your luck, sign up and get to make this money. Okay. So, and if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'd never miss out on new mini marketing tips. And also you can drop a comment below which platform you're trying first and why.